We have designed a unique branch saddle for use with PE pipes. The branch saddle is injection molded by Dutech Plast AS in Aarhus. Pipes are welded on the branch saddle to achieve the desired length. We have developed a production line for welding the branch saddle on PE pipes. The welding is very precise and durable. End caps are welded on in the same arrangement. The pipes are cleaned before they are sealed with plug. Weldments and measurements are checked. Some examples of pipe systems in use with AeroStrip diffusers. We offer branch saddles compatible with PE pipes in sizes from OD63 to OD110. Pipe systems produced specifically according to customer needs. And complete production equipment for in-house production of pipe systems. BioMizing is a Danish engineering and trading company specialized in wastewater and biogas industries. For further information, please visit our website.